Good morning, students. How are you? Students, we are meeting after many days. Okay. In our last video, we have completed till exercise 2B, question number 3 till 15. Brad mark questions I have given you as homework that you have to do in your homework copy. Okay. Now, I am starting from question number 4. From question number 5 to question number 9 is your homework. The rest questions I will do here only in the class. Okay. That is till 15. So from question number 5 to question number 9 is your homework. I am starting from question number 4. See, in question number 4, what they have given you, apples are sold at rupees 18 2/5 per kg. What is the cost of 3/4 kg of apples? That means they have given you information about only 1 kg. That is, what is the cost of 1 kg apples? It is rupees 18 2/5. And what you have to find out? You have to find out cost of 3/4 kg of apples. Now, students, as you know that whenever information about 1 is given to you, per kg means 1 kg. Okay, whenever in the question information about 1 is given to you and if information of more is asked in the question, यहाँ पर 1 kg दिया हुआ है और पूछा क्या है आपसे 3/4 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स पूछा है. यस और नो, ये ज़्यादा हो गया 1 से. आर यू गेटिंग? तो हमेशा अगर इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हो जहाँ पर एक के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी हो और आपको ज़्यादा के बारे में फाइंड आउट करना हो, तो आप क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. व्हाट यू विल डू? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मैं आप लोगों को इसीलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस नहीं मिलेंगे कि सारे क्वेश्चंस जो है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के हो. मैं आप लोगों को मिक्स करके दे सकती हूँ. मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन दे सकती हूँ, डिवीजन दे सकती हूँ, प्लस दे सकती हूँ, माइनस दे सकती हूँ. तो आप लोगों को एटलीस्ट आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Now, first of all, what you will write? You will write cost of 1 kg apples. 1 kg एप्पल्स का कॉस्ट कितना दे रखा है? रुपीज़ 18 2/5. You can convert it into improper fraction. 5 और 18 5 जा कितना होता है? 18 5 जा 90 and 90 plus 2 will be 92. So rupees 92/5. Then what you have to find out? Therefore, cost of 3/4 kg apples इक्वल्स टू, क्या करोगे? एक के बारे में दिया हुआ है और कितने के बारे में फाइंड आउट करना है? 3/4 kg एप्पल्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल मल्टीप्लाई. सो 92/5 into 3/4. Now you can convert this into improper fraction. So it will become 4 3 जा 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15/4. Okay. Now you will see whether they are getting cancelled or not. Okay. So in 5 tables 15 is going. Okay. How many times? 5 1 times and 15 3 times. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja 15. Now 3 and 4 are not getting cancelled, but 4 and 92 is getting cancelled. In 4 tables 4 1 times and here 4 1 times and here 4 2 ja 8, 1 carry, so it will become 12, 4 3 ja 12. That means 423 times 92 is good. Okay, now 23 and 3 is remaining, so 23 3 ja will be 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. That means cost of 3 3 by 4 kg apples is rupees 69. Is it clear? Okay, so like this you will find out. The rest of the question is your homework, that is question number 5 to question number 9. You have to do in the same manner. Okay, now students, take out page number 27, question number 10. See students, all these questions are related to multiplication only, but I am solving this question. Okay, see, Rohit takes 4 4 by 5 minutes to make a complete round of a circular path. That means to take one round, for completing one round of a circular path, how many minutes he takes? He takes 4 4 by 5 minutes. Okay, so how much time will he take to make 15 rounds? So for completing 15 rounds, how much time he will take, that you have to find out. Again, the information about one is given to you, and what you have to find out? You have to find out about more, that is 15 rounds you have to find out. Okay, so for this also what you will do? You will do multiplication only. So let's start with it. Now students, first of all you will write time taken by Rohit to complete one round. How much time he has taken? 4 4 by 5 minutes. So you can convert it into improper fraction. So it will become 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 4 will be 24. So 24 by 5 minutes he takes to complete one round of a circular path. Now in the questions, what they have asked you, they have asked you that how much time will he take to make 15 rounds. So you can write hence time taken by Rohit to complete 15 rounds equals to 24 by 5 into 15. Yes or no? Now can you cancel 5 and 15? Yes, they are going in the table of 5. 5 is going 1 times and 15 is going 3 times. So your answer will come as 24 3 ja will be 4 3 ja 12, 72 minutes. 72 minutes. ठीक है? And if you want to convert it into hours, you can convert. Now you all know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so अगर मैं 72 minus 60 करती हूँ तो what will come? 12 minutes. और ये जो 60 है, इसमें से 60 जो है वो 1 आवर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और एक्स्ट्रा कितना बचा? 12 मिनट्स. सो आई कैन राइट इन आइदर 72 मिनट्स भी लिख सकती हूँ और 1 आवर 12 मिनट्स भी लिख सकती हूँ. आई थिंक आई एम क्लियर विद दिस. ये आप लोगों को 5th स्टैंडर्ड में भी सिखाया था जब आप मतलब एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टाइम करते थे. उस टाइम में हम करते थे, अगर आपको याद हो तो 72 माइनस 60 करते थे, 60 क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम इसको आर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो ये जो 60 है वो तो 1 आर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, और जो रिमेनिंग है 72 माइनस 60 जब आप करोगे तो जो भी रिमेनिंग आएगा वो आपका मिनट्स में आ जाएगा। सो लाइक दिस यू विल कन्वर्ट, ओके। सो दिस वाज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Now next question.